Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Nate, and today we're diving into a game of fact or fiction. Can you decipher which of these statements is true and which is false? 1. Is it true that there is a tree in Australia that can sustain fire on its own? In Australia, there is a tree called the eucalyptus that contains oils capable of sustaining combustion. 2. Is it true that a snail can sleep for up to 3 years straight? Some species of snails can enter long periods of dormancy, hibernating for several years. 3. Is it true that there is a fish that can leave the water and move on land? The mudskipper, a type of fish, has the ability to use its fins to move on land for short distances. 4. Is it true that there is a species of birds that can communicate through telepathy? Birds cannot communicate through telepathy, they use vocalizations and body language. 5. Is it true that bees can recognize faces? Bees have an amazing ability to recognize and remember faces, including human faces. 6. Is it true that there is a species of squid that has the largest eyes of any known creature? The giant squid has eyes that can reach up to 10 inches, 25 centimeters, in diameter, allowing it to see in the dark depths of the ocean. 7. Is it true that snails can grow new shells if their old ones are damaged? Snails can regenerate their shells if they have been damaged or lost. 8. Is it true that a new species of giant spiders has been discovered in the Amazon rainforest? No new species of giant spiders has been discovered in the Amazon rainforest or elsewhere. 9. Is it true that some trees can communicate with each other through underground roots? Some trees can exchange nutrients and information through a fungal network that connects their underground roots. 10. Is it true that there is a type of plant that can change its color depending on the emotions of nearby animals? There are no known plants that can change color based on the emotions of animals. 11. Is it true that there is a forest where the trees grow crooked? The crooked forest in Poland is known for its peculiar trees. The pine trees look like pot-bellied stick figures. On some 400 trees, the trunks buckle out 90 degrees. 12. Is it true that there is a species of fungi that glows in the dark? Bioluminescent fungi, such as the species Messina chlorophyos, have the ability to emit a greenish glow in the dark. 13. Is it true that there is a type of lizard capable of camouflage that can perfectly mimic any background? While many lizards have impressive camouflage abilities, none can perfectly mimic any background. 14. Is it true that there is a species of ant that uses its own body as a bridge to cross gaps? The army ant, found in Central and South America, forms living bridges by linking together to help the colony traverse gaps and obstacles in their path. 15. Is it true that there is a type of jellyfish that is immortal? The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish has the ability to revert back to its polyp stage after reaching maturity, effectively restarting its life cycle and making it biologically immortal. 16. Is it true that there is a type of sea slug that can photosynthesize like a plant? The Aletia chlorotica sea slug can incorporate chloroplasts from the algae it eats into its own cells, allowing it to photosynthesize and produce energy from sunlight. 17. Is it true that there is a species of fish that can survive out of water for several days? There are 11 genera of fish that can survive out of water for an extended period, some for minutes at a time. The lungfish has a unique adaptation that allows it to breathe air, enabling it to survive out of water for extended periods. 18. Is it true that there are trees that can grow in complete darkness? Unfortunately, there are no plants that can survive in complete darkness as they all require sunlight to create food through photosynthesis. 19. Is it true that there is a type of fish that can change its gender from female to male? Many species of fish, like the clownfish, are protandrous hermaphrodites, meaning they start off as males and can later change into females if necessary. 20. Is it true that there is a shark that can glow in the dark? Researchers have discovered that 3 deep-sea shark species have bioluminescent properties. The lantern shark has special organs called photophores that allow it to emit a faint green glow, which helps it blend in with the sunlight filtering down through the ocean depths. What was the most unusual fact? Leave your comments below. See you later.